guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have somebody on our set, the lovely person of my dear model, Sonia. Sonia, say ciao. Ciao. Okay, so today we are going to be doing her makeup, and yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to see what we are going to come up with. And so keep on watching. As per usual, for you to start the makeup, you always need to go in with the clean wipes and clean her face. Okay, so her face is getting dry. I'll just go in with a powder just to set it, just so that the area is not too wet to apply the brow product. After we're done setting it, I'm just going to take a spoolie and brush out that powder. Just make sure to blend it out, just so that you don't have harsh lines around. So I'm going to blend out this concealer on her lid. So to set her lid, I'll go in with the Makeup Revolution banana powder, just to set her lid. To start off, I'm going in with the shade Bay. I'm going to use Bay to set her brow bone area. Pretty much start her transition. I'll go in with the shade Sandalwood. Next, I'll go in with the shade Henna. So you first of all do a patting motion. You take the product, you pat it, and then you blend it out. For that to pin her crease, I'm going in with Cocoa now. I'm just going to pack that shade on the outer corners. Now I'll go into black just to further smoke out her outer corners. She's wearing something that has glitters, so we're going to do like a silver glittery eye. Ooh. Now after applying that color, we need to go around and blend the edges of that shade, and I'm going to use the Morphe M139 again to just make sure that the edges are smooth. Some glitters into the lid, just a little bit of glitters. For lashes, I'm using Tati lashes, and to remove glitters, I just remembered now is to use a spoolie and I'll see if you're combing it away. Blend that out. I'm going to push it into her skin. So this is going to cover all the spots she has on her face. So I'm going to use a blending sponge to push the product into her skin. Lighter skin, I'll be going in with the LA Pro Conceal in the shade FAWN. I'm going to highlight the bridge of her nose, under her eye, her forehead and her chin. chin. Be sure to blend around the corners. Now clean what is on her nose. In with the Tara powder and just blend the entire face.